How do you know if your DPF is becoming blocked, and what symptoms should you look out for? This is a question we are asked regularly, and recognizing early warning signs can prevent costly repairs. So what are the symptoms of a clogged DPF, or how do I know if my DPF is blocked? Key indicators include reduced power, increased fuel consumption and regeneration frequency, unusual exhaust smoke, and warning lights. What does a blocked DPF cause? Restricted exhaust flow creates back pressure, reducing turbo efficiency and potentially causing engine protection mode activation, limp home mode. What does a blocked DPF sound like? You may hear turbo whistle changes, increased engine noise, or unusual exhaust sounds during attempted regeneration. Will a blocked DPF cause limp mode? Yes, severe blockage triggers limp home mode, limiting power to prevent damage. Can I drive with the DPF light on? Yes, but short distances only, as continued driving risks damage and complete system failure. What happens when a DPF is full? The ECU will attempt a forced regeneration, but if unsuccessful, it will trigger limp home mode to prevent engine damage. Many DPF problems result from incomplete regeneration rather than component failure, making fuel-based cleaning a cost-effective first approach. Understanding that excessive soot production often stems from injector fouling and poor combustion helps identify root causes. Professional fuel additives containing multiple detergents address both DPF contamination and underlying fuel system issues simultaneously. Quality solutions such as Oilsin Carbon Code DPF and Turbo Doctor or Arch Oil AR 6400 D-Max provide this comprehensive cleaning approach. Experiencing DPF problems and need expert diagnosis? Our technical team provides free problem analysis to help you identify the root cause and most cost-effective solution.